All right, guys, a live update from Catskill, New York, right out of Albany. I flew into Albany, and look at this Grand Banks, absolutely gorgeous. I wanted to share this with you before the owner gets here, before anybody gets here. Before we leave here, we're in the Hudson, about halfway up to the Erie Canal. To get through the Erie Canal, we're gonna have to lay down that mast, take off all of this canvas right here, and get the bimini ready to come down. But breakaway, look at that, 42 Grand Banks. Look at this hull. I could comb my hair in that. For some of you, that's a nice joke, huh? I don't have any hair. Anyway, quick little live update video here. Look at how clean this is. Wow. Man, that's real. One thing about Grand Banks probably makes the nicest hull. Look at this, all screw down decks. No holes in the fiberglass. But now remember, this is a 93. So this is one of the newer ones. It's a wider than the older ones. Man, look at this. I don't think I've ever been on a GB 42 this clean. I've been on a lot of them, but not this clean. Dinghy. Upstairs, look at this. Let's go upstairs here real quick. Anyway, I hope you guys are going to enjoy along because we're picking this thing up. We're going to go up the Hudson. After we get done with the Hudson, we're going to go through the Erie Canal. And that's why this canvas has to be lowered, because we need to get down to 15 feet, which is right at that window height. That's a little bit lower than we need, but that's where we need to get to. And so we're taking it through the Erie Canal. The west side of the Erie Canal has a low bridge that we have to get under. So once we get there, then we go across Lake Erie, then over to Lake Huron, and then over into Michigan. And again, this is just a live update video. Should be about 10 days, maybe 12 days. The Erie Canal will dictate how fast and if we get to do an overnighter. Wait till you see the inside of this thing. It's hard to believe. Look at this. When I walk in, this is my first impression of the boat when I walk in here. When anybody's selling a boat, this is what you want to see. Look at that. It just looks brand new, like the day it was delivered. Garmin, everything looks like it's in place. Remote for my Garmin. I love to see that. All my paperwork and certificates are right there. Look how clean this thing is. Refrigerator's on. Just a super nice boat. I've actually popped the engine hatch already and just put my head down there. Look at that, all the manuals for this boat, so you can tell how well this thing was taken care of. Big, nice queen size bed in the aft here. And I like this one. This one has the separate toilet and separate shower. So this is a separate shower. This is probably my favorite layout of the Grand Banks. And they switched these Grand Banks and changed them because the old style, this kitchen comes all the way down the side here. And this is the new style. So you got the front kitchen here, just beautiful. And then we have a V-berth up front. You can already see I put my bag out, turned on the internet already. And then it has a bathroom up front here. Anyway, I just want to say welcome to the channel. God bless. Thank you guys so much for watching all these videos. Today, the glacier video came out. Man, or yesterday, I think it was. What an amazing, I want to explain that real quick, because when I was walking, when we were driving up to that glacier, I was in absolute awe. Just like, how does this even happen? Does this place even exist? And how do you share something like this? There's no video, there's nothing I can do to explain anything like this. Anyway, what I do want to share with you guys is God bless, peace out. Make sure you hit that like, make sure you hit that subscribe. And then these videos will be coming out probably in the next couple of weeks. You'll see this will probably be a 10-day trip, so there'll be 10 videos coming out on this trip here itself. So anyway, thank you guys, I appreciate it. Bye.